What do you do with your thoughts? Did you know your thoughts could be powerful propellants to understanding who you are and creating a strong sense of self-confidence and self-esteem in you? We often think of our thought life in a negative way, as something that holds us back from experiencing our dreams, but our thoughts can be a picture of our soul and can show us new things about ourselves we didn't know before. As we focus on our thoughts as a means of self-discovery, we can create life goals and have allies to keep us focused when self-doubt inevitably creeps in. Sit down today with a journal and write down one thing you would like to achieve by the end of the year. Perhaps, for example, you would love to open your own small business online, but your self-doubt tells you that this is not something that could be successful. Collect around yourself pictures of successful people working from home doing small business. As you read about their successes, list the common traits you share with them. Perhaps they are described as being people-friendly or passionate about their products. Maybe they are good organizers or great salespeople. List all the descriptions of these people that you believe you can relate to. These will become your inspirations. Now build up a picture of yourself and don't be afraid to ask others what they think are your character strengths as well. Affirm these characteristics daily by reading them regularly and reminding yourself that you are good at organization. You do have vision and drive that motivates you to see something to its conclusion. Work on this for a 2-week period. Having created a goal for yourself, these characteristics become your supporting evidence to yourself that you can achieve that goal. Seek some financial planning advice and discuss the viability of the business you want to start. Collect all the information you have assembled in one place and spend a day visualizing yourself as a small business owner using the information you have collected. As you do this, you gain vital information about yourself, your strengths and abilities, practical information about the business you want to start, and the resources you need for it to be successful. Your thoughts can be indicators of your dreams as well as things that hold you back. So harness the power of your thoughts and do something with them. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Look at the description box below for our best product recommendation. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it very informative. My Success has a vision to help you grow and succeed in all aspects of life. If you would like us to continue creating such videos, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon. See you soon. Don't forget to leave a message in the comments section below telling us what type of videos you would like to see.